A narrator's voice is heard as pictures and video clips of students are shown at Disney World, Yellowstone National Park, and multiple locations around Indiana.
We speak key around here. You'll see the shirts, you'll hear the stories, you'll go there. But what is key, and what does it mean for you?
Students describe their experiential learning moments in one word.
One word to describe my experience is magical.
Fantastic. Tired. Tired.
Excitement!
Incredible.
Magical.
Excitement.
It's a hands-on experience. It's really engaging. It's just a really cool insight to seeing outside of the classroom.
A student is interviewed in Alumni Hall as visuals of her trip to Yellowstone National Park are shown.
So it's not about just textbook and stuff, you could really see what you're learning, you could feel it, you could touch it, you could really experience it.
The narrator continues as pictures and footage are shown from various trips.
Key, the Kokomo Experience and You, is your chance to take what you're learning in the classroom out into the world. In fact, your classroom is the real world. Team building at Bradford Woods, studying conservation at Yellowstone National Park, getting an inside look at the winery business, and so much more. Once you leave the walls of the classroom, you'll build deeper relationships with classmates, faculty, and the community.
Jonathan Bracamontes, a graduate, speaks to the camera above the Cougar Country Cafe.
The connections I was able to build with faculty, with staff, and more importantly with the students that I went on the trips with, that was exceptional just because it was nice to get closer to my classmates, to people in my program, and I think I ended up creating at least a few lifelong friendships.
The narrator speaks again as more visuals of experiential learning trips are shown.
As you're out exploring, you'll be packing your resume with tons of experiential learning that employers are going to love. The best part? You're invited. Trips are open to any student, and we work hard to make them either free or super affordable, even for a college student. Check out the Key program at iuk.edu/key.
iuk.edu/KEY.